Welcome to the Met. This iconic institution is not just a museum, it's a journey through time, art, and culture. One of the world's largest and most iconic art museums, the Met houses over 2 million works of art spanning 5,000 years of history. From ancient Egyptian artifacts to modern American masterpieces, there's something here for everyone. Located right in the heart of New York City, the Met is a cultural treasure trove that attracts millions of visitors each year. Its prime location next to Central Park makes it a perfect spot for a day of exploration and relaxation. In this video, we'll reveal must-see exhibits, insider tips, and fun secrets that'll make your visit unforgettable. Whether you're an art aficionado or a casual visitor, our guide will help you navigate the vast collections and discover hidden gems. Stick around because we're sharing all the best times to visit, special events, and hidden gems that you won't want to miss. From seasonal exhibitions to exclusive tours, there's always something new and exciting happening at the Met. And hey, if you love discovering the best travel spots, don't forget to subscribe for more bite-sized guides. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the most comprehensive and enjoyable travel experiences, so hit that subscribe button and join our community of explorers. The Met isn't just about art, it's about experiences. Imagine walking up the grand staircase, feeling the history and grandeur that surrounds you. Picture children on school trips, their eyes wide with wonder as they see history come to life. One of the must-see exhibits is the Egyptian Temple of Dendur. This ancient temple, dating back to 15 BC, was transported from Egypt and reconstructed here. It's a breathtaking sight and a perfect example of the Met's dedication to preserving history. Another highlight is the Arms and Armor Gallery. This collection showcases the craftsmanship and artistry of medieval and Renaissance armor. It's a fascinating glimpse into the past and a favorite among visitors of all ages. Don't miss the American Wing, where you can explore the rich history of American art. From colonial portraits to contemporary pieces, this gallery offers a comprehensive look at the evolution of American creativity. And for a unique experience, head to the rooftop garden. Here you can enjoy stunning views of Central Park and the New York City skyline while admiring contemporary sculptures. It's a perfect spot to relax and take in the beauty of the city. The Met is also famous for hosting the annual Met Gala, a star-studded event that brings together the biggest names in fashion, film, and art. It's a night of glamour and creativity, and the museum's galleries are transformed into a spectacular showcase of style. After exploring the galleries, take a break at one of the Met's cafes. Enjoy a delicious meal or a refreshing drink while soaking in the artistic atmosphere. It's the perfect way to recharge before continuing your adventure. Before you leave, don't forget to visit the museum shop. Here you can find unique souvenirs and gifts inspired by the Met's collections. From art books to jewelry, there's something for everyone to take home a piece of this incredible experience. As you leave the Met, you'll carry with you not just memories of the art and exhibits, but a deeper appreciation for the world's cultural heritage. The Met is more than a museum, it's a journey through the human experience, and we hope this guide helps you make the most of your visit. Thanks for joining us on this tour of the Met. Remember to subscribe for more travel guides and tips. Top 5 questions answered in the next chapter of our adventure. With over 2 million artworks, the Met is a treasure trove of culture. Spanning over 5,000 years of history, it offers a glimpse into the artistic achievements of various civilizations. From ancient artifacts to modern masterpieces, the Met's collection is unparalleled. As you walk through its grand halls, you'll encounter art from every corner of the globe, each piece telling its own unique story. Whether you're an art aficionado or a casual visitor, there's something here for everyone. But don't miss the Temple of Dendur, a stunning piece of ancient Egyptian history. This temple, dating back to 15 BC, was gifted to the United States by Egypt in 1965. It was meticulously dismantled and transported to the Met, where it was reassembled stone by stone. The temple is set against a backdrop of a reflecting pool, which mirrors its grandeur and adds to its serene beauty. As you explore this exhibit, you'll be transported back in time, marveling at the intricate carvings and the stories they tell of ancient rituals and deities. Next, head over to the Arms and Armor collection to see intricate samurai armor and medieval knight suits. This collection is one of the most comprehensive in the world, showcasing the evolution of weaponry and armor from different cultures and eras. The samurai armor, with its elaborate designs and craftsmanship, reflects the warrior's status and the artistry of the period. The medieval knight suits, on the other hand, offer a glimpse into the chivalric traditions of Europe. Each piece in this collection tells a story of bravery, honor, and the technological advancements of its time. And of course, don't forget Van Gogh's self-portrait and Monet's water lilies. These iconic works are a testament to the genius of their creators. Van Gogh's self-portrait, with its bold brushstrokes and vibrant colors, offers a window into the artist's soul, capturing his emotional turmoil and creative spirit. Monet's water lilies, on the other hand, transport viewers to the tranquil gardens of Giverny, where the artist spent his later years. The play of light and color in these paintings is mesmerizing, drawing you into a world of serene beauty and reflection. These pieces alone make the visit worth it, but there's so much more to discover at the Met. From the ancient Greek and Roman galleries to the modern and contemporary art sections, every corner of this museum holds a new surprise. The Met also hosts a variety of temporary exhibitions, showcasing works from around the world and offering fresh perspectives on art and culture. Whether you're attending a guided tour, participating in a workshop, or simply wandering through the galleries, the Met promises an enriching and unforgettable experience. So take your time, explore at your own pace, and let the art inspire you. With over 2 million artworks, the Met is a treasure trove of culture. But don't miss the Temple of Dendur, a stunning piece of ancient Egyptian history. Next, head over to the Arms and Armor collection to see intricate samurai armor and medieval knight suits. And of course, don't forget Van Gogh's self-portrait and Monet's water lilies. These pieces alone make the visit worth it. Plan your visit for weekdays between 1 to 3 p.m. when the museum is less crowded, or take advantage of extended hours on Fridays and Saturdays until 9 p.m. If you're a night owl, these evenings offer a serene and peaceful walk through the galleries. How do I navigate the Met efficiently? The Met is huge, but with a little planning, you can see all your favorites. Start on the first floor with ancient Egypt and Roman art, then head upstairs for European masterpieces. Pro tip: make a pit stop at the rooftop garden for stunning views of Central Park. What is the Met's pay what you wish policy? Did you know that New Yorkers and students from the tri-state area can pay whatever they wish to enter? It's true. But for tourists, ticket prices start at $30 for adults and $17 for students. Take advantage of this policy to see as much as you want. What special events or holiday programs does the Met offer? The Met's Christmas tree and Neapolitan Baroque crèche are a sight to behold during the holiday season. The Met also has special exhibits, art talks, and seasonal workshops, so there's always something new to discover. Check out their website for the latest updates. Now for some fun facts. Ready? The Metropolitan Museum of Art, commonly known as the Met, is one of the largest and most prestigious art museums in the world. But beyond its well-known collections and exhibitions, there are some fascinating secrets and lesser-known facts that even the most ardent art lovers might not be aware of. Let's dive into 5 intriguing tidbits about the Met that will surely surprise and delight you. Did you know there's another part of the Met dedicated to medieval Europe? It's located in Fort Tryon Park and showcases medieval architecture. This hidden gem is known as the Met Cloisters. Nestled in the picturesque Fort Tryon Park in Upper Manhattan, the Met Cloisters is a branch of the museum dedicated entirely to the art, architecture, and gardens of medieval Europe. The building itself is designed to resemble a medieval monastery, complete with cloistered gardens and stunning views of the Hudson River. Inside, you'll find an impressive collection of medieval artifacts, including illuminated manuscripts, stained glass, and tapestries. It's a serene and enchanting escape from the hustle and bustle of the city, offering visitors a unique glimpse into the past. Only staff can access hidden passageways inside the Met, used to discreetly move artifacts. These secret corridors and tunnels are an essential part of the museum's operations, allowing curators and conservators to transport valuable and fragile pieces without disturbing the public or risking damage. The passageways are a labyrinthine network that connects various parts of the museum, and they are equipped with state-of-the-art security and climate control systems to ensure the safety and preservation of the artworks. It's a fascinating behind-the-scenes world that few people ever get to see, but it's crucial to the smooth functioning of this massive institution. Every summer, the Met commissions an artist to create a unique rooftop installation. It's a must-see secret. The Iris and B. Gerald Cantor roof garden, perched atop the museum, offers breathtaking views of Central Park and the Manhattan skyline. Each year, a contemporary artist is invited to transform this space with a site-specific installation, often incorporating elements of sculpture, painting, and multimedia. These rooftop exhibitions have become a beloved tradition, attracting art enthusiasts and casual visitors alike. The installations are typically unveiled in the spring and remain on view throughout the summer, providing a perfect backdrop for a leisurely afternoon or a special event. Whether you're an art aficionado or simply looking for a unique experience, the rooftop garden at the Met is a hidden treasure worth exploring. Every year, the Met's Costume Institute hosts the Met Gala, the biggest fashion event, and you can see iconic outfits on display. The Met Gala, also known as the Oscars of the East Coast, is a star-studded fundraiser that marks the opening of the Costume Institute's annual fashion exhibition. Celebrities, designers, and influencers from around the world gather on the first Monday in May to showcase their most extravagant and creative ensembles, all in line with the year's theme. The event raises millions of dollars for the museum and garners global media attention. After the gala, the exhibition opens to the public, allowing visitors to marvel at the intricate and innovative designs up close. From historical garments to cutting-edge couture, the Costume Institute's exhibitions offer a fascinating exploration of fashion as an art form and a reflection of cultural trends. This policy was introduced to make art accessible to everyone, dating back to 1970. The Met has a long-standing commitment to accessibility and inclusivity, and one of the ways it fulfills this mission is through its Pay What You Wish admission policy. Established in 1970, this policy allows visitors to contribute whatever amount they can afford, ensuring that financial barriers do not prevent anyone from experiencing the museum's vast collections. This approach has made the Met a welcoming and inclusive space for people from all walks of life, fostering a sense of community and shared appreciation for art. Over the years, the Met has also expanded its outreach programs, offering free admission to students, seniors, and underserved communities, as well as providing educational resources and workshops for visitors of all ages. By prioritizing accessibility, the Met continues to inspire and engage diverse audiences, making art a vital and enriching part of everyday life. Love discovering hidden gems? Hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to stay in the loop with more fun travel guides. What makes the Met so special? Beyond the paintings and sculptures, the Met is a journey through time, a testament to human creativity and culture across centuries. Whether you're an art lover or a curious traveler, there's something magical here for everyone. Now you know the best times to visit, must-see exhibits, and insider tips for the Met. Plus, you're equipped with fun facts to impress your friends. Don't forget, share your favorite exhibits and tips in the comments below. Which part of the Met are you most excited to explore? Let us know below. And if you enjoyed this guide, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insider tips. We've got more bite-sized nuggets of information coming your way. Art is a universal language that connects us to history, culture, and imagination. So next time you're at the Met, take a moment to appreciate the beauty and creativity that spans centuries. Art has the power to inspire, so let it fill your soul.